How are you? Are you ready for this game? Okay, then let's start. Muskan, jump in the alphabet A. A for apple. Yes, good. Where is B for ball? Alphabet B. Jump into the alphabet B. B for ball. Good. C for cat. Jump. Very good. D for dog. Where is D? Very good. E for elephant. Where is E alphabet? E for elephant. E for elephant. Very good. F for fish.